Good day to the good employer in Hong Kong, Madam and Sir. My name is Marian C. Flores. I'm 34 years old, married, and already have a 3 kids. Their age 12, 9, and 6. All are boys. My religion is Seventh-day Adventist. I am a Christian, and my mother is a housewife, and my father is a laborer. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am the fourth in the siblings. I've experienced her in the Philippines as a housemaid for more than 2 years, from April 2009 to November 2011, here in the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I've also experienced taking care of the children and newborn babies. My main duties in my employer is taking care of the children, cleaning in the house, cooking, doing the laundry, ironing, and going to supermarket and grocery stores. And I I also doing the car washing. I am willing to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and to support my kids. Ma'am, sir, I am kind, obedient, honest, trustworthy, and respectful. Sir, madam, if you give me a chance to work with you, I will do my best and work hard to your family. And I will do my responsibilities, and I will treat your children as my own children too, and I will love them as my own children. And thank you.